Hey guys, welcome back. This is a quick video of unboxing this cable which I ordered from Amazon CONMDEX, I guess. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So these are the content of package, logo, zip ties, and two green cables. They are supposed to be 3 feet long. So these are actually longer than 3 feet, slightly, probably an inch or so, which is nice. As you could see, these are like double length. So yeah, that's great. And I have used these cables before for data transfer, and they actually support really high speed data transfer, which is my primary objective. So yeah, I highly recommend these cables if you are in the market for quality cables for high data transfer. Though they also support like charging as well, up to like certified up to like 3 amp, but I'm not gonna use this for charging. I'm only going to use it for data transfer. Hope it helps you guys. Take care.